Hi, my name is Janica Joyce Silgil from 9 Jana. So ngayon ay tuturuan ko kayo ng step-by-step ng solving equation to transformable to quadratic equation. Ngayon, ito yung example. X times x minus 4 equals 60. Ngayon, ay imumultiply natin ang x times x. So, ang equal niyan is x squared. Ito ring x, imumultiply din natin siya sa minus 4. So, magiging minus 4x. So, ito, ikakopy lang natin nung 60 na to. Equals 60. So, ayan. Now, we will transpose 60. So, magiging negative 60 na po siya. So, new equation is x squared minus 4x minus, negative 60 equals 0. So, ito, may standard form na tayo. Kailangan naman po nating makuha ang factor ng negative 60 na answer na may ibibigay is negative 4. So, ayan, ganap muna tayo. Like, 1 times negative 60, 2 times negative 30, 3 times negative 20, 4 times negative 15, 5 times negative 12, and pwede rin negative 10 times 6. So, ayan. So, dahil ito ang pwede nating ma-factor dito, ito ang kukunin natin. Itong negative 10 times 6. So, ayan po. So, maglalagay lang pala ako dito ng parenthesis. And, ikakopy lang din natin tong 0 na to. So, magiging 0. So, the factors are x minus 10 and x plus. So, ayan. And, solve each factor po by 0. So, magiging x equals 0 and x plus 6 equals 0. So, ngayon po is mag-transpose po tayo ulit in the other side. So, ito, tignan. And ito rin po. So, magiging x equals 10 na po siya. dahil nag-transpose na po tayo. At dito rin naman po ay magiging x equals negative 6. So, ayan. So, ito na po yung sagot. So, ayan na po yung sagot. Yun lang po. Thank you.
My name is Kristen Mayo Morete, and this is my example. X times x plus 5 equal 14. Yan. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay mumultiply natin tong x times x. Kaya magiging x squared. So, ito rin. X times 5. I-multiply rin lang po natin yan. Kaya magiging 5x. Copy po natin tong 14. Kaya magiging equal 14. So, ayan na po. Copy po ulit natin tong x squared plus 5x equal 5x. Tapos, ita-transpose po natin tong 14. Kaya po magiging negative 14 equal 0. So, ang next natin, hanapin natin yung factor of 14 and the sum is 5. So, hanapin natin. Negative 1 times 14 equals 4. Negative 2 times 7. So, wala na po tayong ibang mamumultiply. Kaya ito na lang po kukunin natin. Yan. X. Yan. Yan po yung Dapat mas malaki po yung positive natin kaysa negative. Kaya po lalagay natin dito yung 7. Tapos dito po yung negative 2. Yan. Magsasolve each factor po tayo. Kakopy lang po itong yan, equals 0. Transpose by positive 7. Kaya magiging negative 7. Transpose yung negative 2. Kaya magiging positive 2. Ito na po ang ating sagot.
Meron tayong equation dito na pwede i-transform into quadratic equation. Una natin gagawin is ipapag-times natin si x sa naka-close parenthesis na x plus 3. So, x times x in x times positive 3. X times x is x squared. X times positive 3 is positive 3x. Bring down lang yung 4, copy lang yan. Ngayon, ita-transpose natin itong 4 dito para maging standard form. X squared plus 3x, copy lang din yan. Minus 4 equals to 0. Kaya siya naging minus 4 guys kasi transpose natin, lumagpas siya sa equal sign. Tapos gawa tayo dalawang binomial. Gawa tayong dalawang binomial equals 0. So, factors ng x is x times x. Isang positive, isang negative. Hanapin na ngayon naman guys, hanapin natin yung factors ng negative 4 na pag pinag-plus is ang kakalabasan is positive 3x. So, positive 4 times negative 1 equals to positive 3. Ito na kaagad is yung una. Tapos meron pa namang iba na positive 2 times negative 2 which is equals yan sa 0. So, ito yung kukunin natin guys. Positive 3. So, dito yung positive 4, dito yung negative 1. I-bring down lang natin yung dalawa guys. So, magiging x plus 4 equals to 0 and x minus 1 equals to 0. Itatranspose lang natin tong dalawa guys dito. So, ang kakalabasan is x equals to positive 1 and x equals to negative 4. Kaya siya naging positive 1 guys kasi transpose natin siya dito which is lumagpas na naman sa equal sign. Same lang dito. So, yung solution set is mali. Negative 4 and positive 1. Yun lang guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Next is 2x times x plus 3 plus 10 equals 30. Una po natin gagawin is multiply natin si 2x sa loob ng parenthesis. So, 2x times x equals 2x squared. 2x times 3 is positive 6x. Kakapi lang to. Plus 10 equals 30. Plus 10 equals 30. Next is transpose ng 30 sa kabila para mag-equal sa 0. So, 2x squared plus 6x plus 10 minus 30. Naging minus 30 kasi nag-transpose. Next is i-combine tong constant term. Ten minus 30 is negative 20. Copy ko ulit to. 2x squared plus 6x. Then, yung lahat ng numerical coefficient nila is divisible by 2. Kaya, i-divide ko sila. X squared divided by 2 is x squared. 6x divided by 2 is 3x. Negative 20 divided by 2 is negative 10 equals 0. Then, i-factor natin sila. Naputas. Gagawa muna ng dalawang binomial na equal sa 0. Factor of x squared is x times x. Factor ng negative 10 na kapag pinag-plus is equal to positive 3. Plus minus na agad kasi yung sign ng 10 is negative. The factor of negative 10 is negative 10 times 1 na kapag pinag-plus equals to negative 9. And negative 2 times 5 na kapag pinag-plus is positive 3. Positive 3. Kaya ito yung pipiliin. Yung negative 2, ilalagay siya sa negative. Kaya negative 2 and 5. Next is, i-equate natin silang dalawa sa 0. Pag-iwalayin ko. X plus 5 equals 0. And x minus 2 equals 0. Ita-transpose lang to. Pati to. X equals, transpose yung positive 5 magiging negative 5. X minus 2 equals 0. Ita-transpose yung negative 2 sa kabila, magiging positive yan. X equals is equal to 2. X is equal to negative 5 and positive 2.